Welcome to Winglets Learning Club. Are you ready for a fun new adventure today? Today we are going to explore something amazing that is all around us. We are going to explore time. From tiny second to big whole year, let's find out how it all works. Let's go! So the smallest unit of time is second, then comes minute, then hours, then days, weeks, months and years. So, what exactly is time? Time helps us to know when things happen. It helps us talk about the past, things that already happened, the present, which is happening right this second, and the future things that haven't happened yet. We use tools like clock, calendars, and watches to measure it perfectly. Let's look at how time grows from tiny to big. First we have second. Says one smile just take a second. 60 seconds packed together to make 1 minute. About the time it takes to brush your teeth. And 60 minutes take a whole hour. A school day usually lasts about 6 hours. Look at the ticking clock. To read it, look for the hands. The short hand shows us the hour and the long hand shows us the minutes. Each number around the clock stands for 5 minutes. You know, time also changes our sky. We have night, which is dark, quiet and perfect for resting. Then comes day, bright and sunny, when it's time to play and learn. Did you know the earth spins all the way around once every 24 hours? That is exactly how we get a full day. When you put 7 days together, we get a whole week. Let's say them together. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Which day is your absolute favorite? Zoom out a little further. 7 days make 1 week. About 4 weeks join together to make a month. And when you count 12 months, you have completed a whole year. That's a grand total of 365 days. And you know what happened? As the year goes by, we experience the 4 beautiful seasons. Spring, when flowers bloom. Summer, with hot sunny days, perfect for swimming. Fall, when leaves turn orange. And winter, bring cold days and cozy sweaters. So are you ready for the quiz time? Let's see what you remember. How many minutes are in an hour? 60 minutes. How many days are there in a week? 7 days. What season comes right after winter? It's spring. And which clock hand is shorter? Yes, the hour hand. Wow, look at you. You're officially a time expert now. You have learned about seconds, days, weeks and seasons. Great job, time explorers. Keep practicing telling time every single day. See you next time. Bye.